Find the chemical tubes for detergent and rinse aid at the back of the machine. Only use detergent and rinse aid, specifically designed for commercial dishwashers. Place the tubes into the corresponding containers. Attach labels at the container openings to avoid mixing up the chemicals during future replacements. For first-time use of the dishwasher, with the machine turned off, press and hold the function key for 7 seconds until a beep sound is heard. The machine will start drawing in the chemicals automatically. This process will last 30 seconds. Repeat this procedure 3 to 4 times until the chemicals have been drawn into the machine. Machine is ready for use.